What's crisp?
Crisp is a new narrative. So it has to do a little bit with our history, of course. So when we are looking into the past of our factories, we were coming from a quality-driven company. Our products are actually have a high responsibility at our customers.
Correct, they need to work.
Yeah, it need to work because it steers, it controls, it automates multi-million-dollar investments. So quality is key. So we always looked at quality. Then high volume and quality was leading to automation. So we are early starting in investing in automation. And when you automate, of course, you have access to data. You're collecting data. And also if you are in quality, you are in statistics. That was an excellent start for the digitalization journey. And when we get into digitalization, of course, you are connecting to the cloud, you're connecting to the shop floor. And we saw that with our lean approach, because we are also lean guys, we like the lean philosophy, that not everything is covered anymore for that what we are doing here with the quality, with automation, with digitalization and lean. So the need for a new narrative was. So when one is asking, what are you doing here? I say, we are doing crisp. And each letter stands for an, let's say, typical, what is important for our factory, for a typical, let's say,
the 5 key pillars of
pillar. Thank you very much. So C for crisp is connectivity. Our factories needs to be connected. Like I said,
everything
to the shop floor,
and outside,
to
and
the
your
cloud,
suppliers,
and in between,
and
because of the information.
Yeah.
You need to collect and bring the information and make use out of the data. So you need connected. And connectivity is key in all 3 dimensions. Then R, robust processes and resilient supply chains.
Okay.
With no robust process, you cannot predict what will be the outcome.
It'll be hit or miss. Murphy's Law.
And resilient supply chains, you have seen it during the last time, is necessary, otherwise you cannot make commitments to your customer. And here, data, information helps.
Key player.
And then the I. The I is intelligence. So it leads to, of course, people, but also artificial intelligence. We want to make use out of AI to reduce our efforts when it comes to improve our processes, when it comes to make quality assurance and maintenance, predictive, prescriptive maintenance. AI must be right from the beginning in our process, in our mindset. And for this, again, you need robust, you need connectivity, builds back. S, we already talked about it. Sustainability, you cannot produce or, let's say, bring products on the market without not having sustainability in mind. The Ecotech level is approved.
And as you say, it's not a bolt-on afterwards.
No.
You design it from the time you design the factory to the product to the everything.
It becomes already like quality. It must be inbuilt right from the beginning when you design it. And then the P, people centricity. So the people need to be connected. They need to be, let's say, always informed. They need to stay healthy from a physical but also mental point of view all the time, because in Europe the working time has elongated, but also new people are coming in. They have different expectations, work environment, so they would like to work with technology. So these are the 2, let's say, things we have to mind. We have to update and introduce technology one group. We have to take care of our people, but we also have to be attractive for young people. And this is people centricity in a nutshell. And that's crisp. And it's so easy to remember. And one time I explained it to one, how is Siemens designing the factories? Yeah, crisp. What is crisp? Yeah, connectivity, resilience and robustness, intelligence, sustainability, and people centricity.
You've got World Economic Forum Lighthouse standards, Sea Green, Eco, Tech Label, CRISP. Without giving away any trade secrets, what's next?
What's next? I think if we roll out CRISP of all our factories, this will be a huge, let's say, first of all, it will be a huge impact on our factories, because we will build a factory network. So we don't think only alone on one factory. If we want to be competitive and sustainable in all the factors, we need to improve all our factories on a factory network level. And that's the next step. We look and we think more in networks, in grids, than on a one single factory.